What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's Wednesday. That means we got a new video. Today we're installing a new detachable tour pack, luggage rack, new backrest on a 2018 Street Glide Special in Legend Blue Denim. Bike is sweet. Before we go get it all set up and started though, I really want to mention that you guys show a lot of love in the comments and I really appreciate it. It really makes me want to keep making awesome videos, so keep that up and give me a hug. You know, just show some gratification. Come on, no homo. Come on, no homo. For those of you that don't know me, my name is John Maxwell, and I'm a highly trained unprofessional right here at Chattahoochee Harley-Davidson. And on this channel, I bring you guys to work with me. So if you want to learn more about Harley-Davidson, you should probably hit the subscribe button right now. And hit that bell notification too, so you know when I actually upload. So today we got a bunch of stuff going on this tour pack, extra stuff. I'm going to show you guys all of that, starting with the docking hardware, and later on we are going to talk about what's different on the 2014 and later tour pack design. Don't tell the engineers, but they did a good job with this setup. So let's go knock out this tour pack. So, lunch break, I actually have a chance to talk about what's happening. Engineers finally got docking hardware like nailed, way better than previous years. This stuff fits 14 and later. I pointed out earlier that the fat side and the skinnier side, how the fat side goes in first. Well, in addition to that, if for some reason this rack that I just put on doesn't fit really well, you can flip this around and it might fit better that way. They even include some spacers so you can space it out. It ends up making it where it doesn't rattle like previous years. Sometimes detachable hardware will just rattle like all get out. In addition to that, there's a dash in here indicating which way this thing is rotated because it's actually oblong. It's not a perfect circle. That way it can be rotated to fit really tight. Now, all those changes can be done with any detachable hardware on the touring models. It just so happens we're installing a detachable tour pack today. When I do this, I'm gonna figure out the best rotation of that docking hardware with just the rack. I'm not gonna install the tour pack and then like wrestle that whole thing around to make it fit well. That would be insane. I already need help holding the tour pack and all that kind of junk, which we're about to do in a second. On top of that, the engineers also thought to add in some pre-marked holes in this lid. So in a minute, when I start drilling through the tour pack lid to install the luggage rack on top, it's not all guesswork and it's gonna look just like every other model, which, I mean, it makes it way easier to install one. Before you had to, there's a template, there's all these markings and measurements, and just don't tell anybody I was like patting the engineers on the back, all right? That finishes up what I need to tell you all about before we go back in the shop and finish up the job. Let's get to it. This one's for the electrical, if they were doing the lighted spoiler deal. 3 regular bolts. Means they're different size washers and stuff though, so pay attention to what you're doing. Set them all up like so. I'm gonna do my dielectric grease trick on all these guys. Just little dabs in there so that they'll stay on the air wing luggage rack. All right, that's the end of my day. Well, close enough. So I praised the engineers before, but the design team, I don't know what they're doing, because the only way you need a Legend Blue Denim tour pack is if you have a Street Glide Special, which comes with black trim. Why they sell it with chrome latches and hinges and all that stuff, I'll never know. So $1,600 tour pack, and you gotta go buy all the black stuff for an additional fee. What the? Damn it, Harley. Just never get it 100% right. It's always just a little bit off. Whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed the install of all these parts. I think I covered everything that I wanted to in this video. I did a lot of stuff to this bike. If I included everything I installed on it, this video would be an hour long. So try to keep it a little bit short so people might actually watch the whole thing. So thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a big dirty thumbs up. I cut my. So if you like this video, give it a big dirty thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you're informed of when I upload videos, and we'll see you next time.